when you do something good, you get something good. Or rather, when you do with your heart and with your mind, you get double of what you ever expect. Lions serve, but like Dr. Johnson says, if you add that little bit of human touch, you make it a difference. He gave an example. He says he gave Mr. Vidogwal everything, but nobody realized he wanted Sai. One fellow gave him glasses. So I think if Lions work a little more better, I'm not saying they're not working. Being in the opposition, I think they have done to criticize, but this is not a criticism. This is something positive. If you could serve where you have an opportunity to do something good, that's where you can reach out. That's where can you make a difference. Well, it's a great honor to be here. I wish you all the best. All my best wishes to you for the next year, or rather for your Lions, and whatever little we can do, we will be there. My best wishes to all of you. I wish you, after the pandemic, not many people have suffered, not many people have had a lot of problems. It is unbelievable to understand myself as a politician, the troubles the people have. I even tell my people, I tell them, the boys come, they won't have a tournament, they won't have some heartbreakers. I tell them, no, I tell them. I said, you don't understand the troubles of the people. If this money could be given to somebody who needs that, would really make a difference. But politics is a different ballgame. Anyway, I will certainly conclude by wishing you all the best. I have seen the performance. I have seen so many functions, or rather issues you have taken. You have done so many things. I want to congratulate you. All the people who have taken trouble, and Lions have been so many years here. There are so many people who have put in effort. Certainly, those who are not leaving our side, wish them. I pray that their souls rest in peace, and those who are here, I wish them a bright future. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. Reginaldo Lorenzo. You are absolutely right, sir. What goes round comes round. We have to believe in the virtue of gratitude and pass it on to others needy people. And now I request our chief guest, Honorable Chief Minister.
For the region meet of the region 8 of the district, 17B, present along with me, the guest of honor for this function, MLA Lion Alex Reginaldo. For other dignitaries, the presiding officers, Lion Sami Sulakar, Division Chairperson Lion Swati Sulakar, Zone Chairperson Lion Balakrishna Prabhudesai, the rest all Lion present among the audience and on the stage. I congratulate you, first of all, for whatever you have contributed during the pandemic for the state. I think the rations which you have distributed among the migrants, for the sanitizers, for the funds, whatever you did for the state. I'll share my thought with you during whatever the works you are doing for the last so many years. I think since from the 1960s, I'll go through my drafted speech afterwards. I want to share my thoughts with you. That's why I'll start with Konkani. खूप बरे दिसता की 1960 उपरांत हांव जस्ट फ्युचर आपली हिस्ट्री घेतालो. हांव कितलेशेच लायनान बरयता. हांव कितलेशेच फावटी तेन्ना उलयता. एक्झॅक्टली काम कितें करता काय म्हणून 2 वर्सां फुडें हांव थंय गेल्या आय थिंक 22 वर्सां जालो वरता. आनी खुबशे फावटी हांव प्रत्येक लायना कडेन उलयता की कितें काम करता काय म्हणून. म्हाका प्रत्येक जाणांनी वेगवेगळें जें काम सांगलें पळय न्ही तें हांवें इंट्रस्ट. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बारीक काम म्हणजे तो समाजाचेर इम्पॅक्ट आसा. आमी म्हणटा की ल्हानशी बसचेर एखादो डेव्हलपमेंटल सर्कल इन एड्युकेशन द वेरियस लायन्स क्लब स्पेशली इन एड्युकेशन तशें जर पळयत जेका त्याची फीज पेमेंट करी पासून स्कूल स्टार्ट करी पर्यंत कितल्याशाच भुरग्यांची कितलेशेच जाण म्हणजे ज्याची गरज कितें आसा ती ओळखून ताका तुमी पावता. The second, especially in the health sector, I think, and for health sector, from bottom of my heart, especially thanks. Especially in the cancer detection, special camp is organized करता. which is useful for so many people. That the first stage, second stage cancer detect करता, तो समजू शकता त्याची गरज किती आहे. असे various projects, especially in the rural area, ज्यांनी आणि गरजवंता खातीर जे project आजपर्यंत तुम्ही केल्या, but sir definitely being a chief minister of the state, I will say मनापासून खूप 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 तुमचं धन्यवाद आणि सदोरी ह्या कॉन्ट्रिब्युशनात हजारी पुढे तुमच्या सगळ्या लायन्स क्लबाचे कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन हजारी पुढे हजारीपेक्षा चड कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आसचे हाची अपेक्षा करता आणि निश्चितच तुम्ही हे कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन फ्रॉम द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर टू हेल्थ या सगळ्या सेक्टरांत दितले ताच्या खातीर हांव तुमचे कडेन मागता की सदोरीत तुमचें हें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आसचें अशें म्हाका दिसता. आमी पळयलां की तुमचे सारके NGO जे एके वाटेंतल्यान गोंयाक हेल्प करता, तुमी दुसरे NGO पळयले आसतले जे सदोरीत आमकां ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन क्रिएट करता. आयज पर्यंत गोंयचो एकूय डेव्हलपमेंटल प्रोजेक्ट सुटूंक ना जेका ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन क्रिएट जावंक ना. तुमी खंयचोय काडून पळयात, मागीर जावं तो मांडवी पूल, जावं तो जुवारी पूल, जावं तो मागीर कन्नार प्रोजेक्ट, जावं तो डबल ट्रॅकिंग, आनी हेका ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करपी तरी कोण गोंयांत दुसरी वाटेंतल्यान आसतले. हांव डिस्ट्रक्टीव NGO म्हणचो ना, I won't say. पण NGO आसा, म्हाका खबर ना की कित्याक तरी अशा पद्दतीचें काम करता. When government is ready to talk, government is ready to discuss. गव्हर्नमेंट जे करता स्टेटीच्या विरोधात केन्नाच करिना, गव्हर्नमेंट जे करता हे लोकांच्या विरोधात केन्नाच करिना. म्हणटच म्हाका दिसता सरकाराचो एकूय प्रोजेक्ट आयज पर्यंत सुटूंक ना त्याचेर केस फायल जावना. हें आतांच न्ही, गेली 10 वर्सां सत्तेन कोणी आसूं मागीर, हांव अशें म्हणना बिकॉज ऑफ वी आर इन पावर, यू आर इन पावर, देर इज ऑल्सो द सेम केस. हो विशय खरो आसा. त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता ऑपोजिशन आसचें, कन्स्ट्रक्टीव ऑपोजिशन आसचें. हांव पॉलिटिकल पार्टीच्या बाबतींत उलयना, हांव NGOच्या बाबतींत उलयता. पॉलिटिकल पार्टी देट इज रायट टू ऑपोज. हांवें कित्याक सांगलें, आमी म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी म्हणजे जे समाजात काम करता, वेगवेगळे NGOs काम करता, आनी तरी विचार करपाचो वेळ आयिल्लो आसा. अशा पद्दतीन तेन्ना वेगवेगळे अदर NGOs जे गव्हर्नमेंटाक ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करता इन अ डेव्हलपमेंटल प्रोजेक्ट, ताजेर खंय तरी म्हाका दिसता समाजात जाका ज्ञान आसा तो विचार करपाक शकता आनी तो वेगवेगळ्या बाबतींत डेव्हलपमेंटाचो स्टेटीचा विचार करता आनी आपलो व्यू मांडप गरजेचो आसा. हें ओपन प्लॅटफॉर्म, त्या व्यूवाची गरज आसा. कारण आमच्या सारकेले जर मत मांडलें इज पॉलिटिकल, तुम्ही जर मत मांडलें तर इज न्यूट्रल, तुम्ही जर मत मांडलें इज इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट. म्हणून तुका एक्सपेक्ट आसा की ज्या पद्दतीन तुम्ही इतकी वर्सां तुम्ही सगळीं कामां करीत आयिल्ले आसा, त्याच खातीर म्हाका दिसता ह्या हेजेर तुमचो व्यू जो आसा हांव एक्सपेक्ट करता इन सोशल मिडिया, प्रेस मिडिया, इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया तुम्ही एक्सप्रेस तुमचो व्यू करपाक जाय. तेन्नाच तो न्यूट्रल व्यू आसतलो. जाल्यारच सरकार खंयचें डेव्हलपमेंटल काम जें आसा हें फुडें व्हरपाक शकता. आमी जेन्ना विजन पळयता, आमी विजन पळयता फुडल्या 25 वर्सांचें, आमी विजन पळयता फुडल्या 50 वर्सांचें, आनी तें विजन पळोवनूच एवरी डेव्हलपमेंटल प्रोजेक्ट हो आमी हातांत घेता. आमी विजन आत्ताच्या खंयच्या आमकां कितें मेळटलें हाचो विचार सरकार करिना. हांवें हो मुद्दामून विशय तुमच्या समोर दवरला कारण गोंयांतले जेका आमी जाणकार म्हणटा, गोंयांतले जे बुद्धिवंत लोक आसात ते आपली मतां मांडटा. वाय नॉट यू पीपल जेका खबर आसा. हांव एकूच सादेशी गोश्ट विचारता, कमनार प्रोजेक्टाक विरोध करपी आज कितलेशेच लोक आसात. फुडल्या 5 वर्सां उपरांत आमकां जी पावर जाय ती पावर खंयच्यान येतली. आमकां अर्देवर लायट वचत जाल्यार आमी कोणूच रावपाक शकना. आमकां 24/7 AC लागता. आमी त्या लोकांचो विचार करता काय कितें, तांकां आजुनूय बी 24/7 घरांतली लायट मेळटा. आमी ह्या लोकांचो खरोच विचार करता काय कितें. म्हणून तर म्हणटा आमी जर 24/7 AC शिवाय रावूंक शकना सर जाल्यार निदान तांकां 24/7 पावर त्याच्या घरातली लायट तरी पेटपाक जाय हाजो विचार खंय तरी म्हाका दिसता करून आपले मत एक्सप्रेस करीत विच इज हेल्पफूल फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट आनी निश्चितच म्हाका दिसता तुमी ते करतले हाची अपेक्षाय हांव करता. ह्या पॅन्डेमिकेंतान वता आसतना द गव्हर्मेंट हॅज स्टार्टेड द वेरियस प्रोग्राम which is the vision for all. Next we are starting with the health for all. Various program government start karta. Government ready to collaborate. Government ready to start jointly. The health, the Lions Club, various program jointly सरकारच्या बरोबर करपाक तयार आसा. We are ready to do many more programs jointly करपा खातीर सरकार तयार आसा आनी निश्चितच आमी जेन्ना म्हणटा की आमकां लास्ट म्हणजे our mission vision is to Antyodaya, the last person in the community. We want to reach the last person in the community. It is not possible for the government alone. तुमच्या हेल्पाशिवाय सरकाराक कदापि शक्य ना. म्हणून तर हांव म्हणटा की तुमची सगळ्यांची गरज आसा सरकाराक आमी शेवटच्या मनशा पर्यंत पावपा खातीर आनी निश्चितच ताची हांव अपेक्षा करता. दिस इज नॉट पॉलिटिकल अपील. सरकार हांवें जेन्ना उलो मारला ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर इन दीस पॅन्डेमिक सेज आत्मनिर्भर भारत आनी ह्याच धरून हांवें स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण खंयच्या बाबतींत हांव म्हणटा एग्रीकल्चर हॉर्टिकल्चर डेरी कल्चर फिशिकल्चर फ्लोरिकल्चर इन एवरी सेक्टर पॅन्डेमिकान आमकां दिसून आयलें वी आर टोटली डिपेंडंट ऑन द अदर स्टेट्स आनी ताकाच लागून गोंयची 60 वर्सां मुक्तीची आमी मनयता आणि भारत देश इंडिया ॲट द रेट 75 आपल्या स्वातंत्र्याची 75वें वर्स मोदीजी काल लॉन्च केले म्हणजे योगायोग आसा इंडिया ॲट द रेट 75 अँड गोवा ॲट द रेट 60 हे मनयता आसतना आमी खंय तरी गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण जावचें हाचो विचार आमी प्रत्येक गोंयकारान करपाक जाय असो म्हाका दिसता आनी निश्चितच हो जर आमी करपाक लागले जाल्यारूच आमी स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय करपाक शकतले. इट इज पॉसिबल. हांव कित्याक सांगता हांवें प्रॅक्टिकली फाटल्या 6 म्हयने अनुभवले 100% जे आमी म्हणटा की हॉर्टिकल्चरचे वेजिटेबल आमी डिपेंडंट आशिल्ले ऑन द अदर स्टेट्स. नाव वी आर एक्सपोर्टिंग 20% ऑफ द वेजिटेबल 20% हांव प्राउडली सांगता भरत सामंत नांवाचो भुरगो जो दाबाळ हांगासर रावता त्याचे हॉर्टिकल्चरचे इनकम एका वर्साचे 35 lakhs rupees सिंगल इयर. आमचे खुद हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशनान ताका 70 lakhs rupees तो पेमेंट केला एका वर्साक आनी 35 lakhs इज ताजे अर्निंग्स ताका इनकम. म्हणून म्हटलें हें पॉसिबल आसा. हें पॉसिबल ना अशें न्ही. तें गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण करपाक म्हाका दिसता लायन्स क्लबा सारकेले तुमचें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन दिलें इन ऑल सेक्टर्स. हांव जेन्ना गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण करपाचो जेन्ना उलो मारला वेजी 60 वर्सां मुक्तीची मनयता आसतना जेन्ना म्हज्या गोंयकाराक एखाद्या आमी जेन्ना म्हणटा वीज इज वॉटर फॉर ऑल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फॉर सॅनिटेशन फॉर ऑल हावजींग फॉर ऑल 100% इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ द स्कीम टू ऑल इन्शुरन्स फॉर ऑल हेल्थ फॉर ऑल विजन फॉर ऑल हे जर प्रोग्राम आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करतले इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल ओन्ली विथ द गव्हर्मेंट. आमी जॉयंटली जर बरोबर वचपाचें शक्य जालें जाल्यारूच इट इज पॉसिबल अदरवायज नॉट. आमी सुरवात केले म्हाका दिसता नॉट ओन्ली द लायन्स क्लब बट तुमचे सगळे वेगवेगळे क्लब्स आसा गोंयांत जे काम करतात ते जॉयंटली जर आमच्या बरोबर आयले 7 वर्सां मुक्तीची सोंपयता आसतना म्हणजे 19 डिसेंबर 2021 निश्चितच आमी 50% पेक्षा चड स्वयंपूर्णाच्या दृश्टीन आमी पावल मारपाक शकतले. ते मारपाची अपेक्षा आसा. ते हेल्प करपा खातीर हांव निश्चितच तुमकां उलो मारता. तुमी सगळे जाण ह्या बाबतींत म्हाका मदत करतले हाची अपेक्षाय आसा. आनी इतकेंच न्ही तर आमी स्किल्ड मॅनपावर गोंयांत कशा पद्दतीन तयार जावचो हाचोय विचार करता. हांव जेन्ना स्किल्ड मॅनपावर जेन्ना म्हणटा इट इज नॉट ओन्ली फॉर द आमी लेबर फोर्स तयार करपा न्ही तर IAS IPS म्हणजे कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह एग्जामीकूय कशा पद्दतीन फुडें वयतले हाची तयारी सरकार करता. एके वटेंतल्यान न्यू एड्युकेशन पॉलिसी इम्प्लिमेंटेशन and next for the preparation of the IAS, IPS, all the competitive exams from the banking to the all central sector exams कशा पद्धतीन तयारी करची हाजेर सरकार हो एक भुरग्यांच्या समोर घेवन फुडें वता. म्हाका दिसता डेफिनेटली म्हणजे ह्या सगळ्या सॅक्टरांतल्यान आमी आत्मनिर्भर भारत हाका जोडून आशिल्लें स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हें फुडें व्हरपा खातीर तुमच्या सारकेल्या लायन्स क्लब ह्या डिजिटल मीटच्या निमित्तान ही पुराय सगळे जाण एकी कडेन आयल्यात. तुम्ही वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम तुमचे करताच, वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम आनी वीच इज ऑल्सो अगेन ऑन द जशें म्हणटा अंत्योदय फॉर द नीडी पर्सन इन द सोसायटी. त्याच धर्तीचेर म्हाका दिसता तुमी जर स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हो कन्सेप्ट घेवन एखादो जरी आमी सॅक्टरांत फुडें गेले, इन वन सॅक्टर एटलिस्ट आमी विचार करपाक सुरू केलो, फुडें गेले जाल्यार निश्चितच आमी 50%, 60% म्हणटा with your help it is possible we can reach to the 100% also it is possible. त्या खातीर हांव अपेक्षा करता म्हज्या फुडें आशिल्ले सगळे लायन्स गोंयभरांतल्यान आयिल्ल्या वेगवेगळ्या लायन्स क्लबांतले सगळे लायन केली म्हणजे हांवें 1960 मुद्दाम उल्लेख केला. आय थिंक स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1960 ओनली. तर जर पळयत जाल्यार आमी 60 वर्सां लायनिझमाची गोंयानूय बी फुडी करता आनी 60 वर्सां म्हणजे लायन एट द रेट 60 आनी गोवा एट द रेट 60 हे फुडें व्हरता आसतना निश्चितच तुमची सगळ्यांची मदत गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण करपाक म्हाका लाभतली हाची अपेक्षा करता आनी हांव म्हजें दोन सोंपयता. जय हिंद, जय गोवा.
Guess what is the number? You are somewhere near 172. Which includes duos, 13 numbers. So give a clap to them also. We have got the highest registration. Guess which is the club? Who else? Who else? Hyderabad. There's 21 registration. Host club has got a registration of 30 members, but host club cannot get. Okay. Second is the farthest couple. Farthest couple. Who is farthest couple? It is MJF Samir Saxena and his letter of from Harvard. The farthest lion, there are two. MJF lion Manoj Manek, LC of Hubli, and Dr. Nitish Pulse.
I would like to thank also our Honorable Chief Minister who was here. Actually, he was supposed to be here for the inauguration of the meet, but he could not. But anyway, he came here, he guided us, and he also released this seminar. And we also launched a service project during this time, which was my dream of having a medical equipment bank. And I announced it earlier, and I said, this is a check of 1 lakh rupees which we have released today. This is the initial. Exactly afterwards, it may increase, and then actually final check will be on the minimum amount which I have announced today. Also with us. Our own member, MLF Rotary Lion Alexo Reginaldo is here, and we really appreciate his presence and his guidance, and we will definitely take his valuable points, valuable suggestions to go ahead in our service activities. We have just heard registration committee report. I am really very pleased to see all the lines from all corners of Goa, not only Goa. I would like to recognize some lions who have come all the way from Karwar, Hubli. I have seen Lion Manoj Manek, Lion Dr. Nitish Jain, who is the zone chairperson from Hubli. Lion Manoj Manek was definitely instrumental for a keynote speaker who was supposed to be here, but he could not attend. We have among with us Master Sri Governor, Lion Dr. Hiremat, he is here. So I like to acknowledge his presence also. We have Lion Samir Saxena, zone chairperson from Karwar, who is amongst us here. And we have galaxy of lions from our state, Goa state, who are here with us today. And during this pandemic, it is really very good attendance I can see here. And it will be definitely inspiration to me to go further this region meet. We still have some 3-4 months to go this INC year, and I hope and I really have a confidence that our lions in the region will definitely have more activities and they will go the same way what they have done now. Our keynote speaker today is Dr. Johnson Fernandez, who was here, and in his speech he really summed up about what my theme for this regional meet was: harmony in service, and whatever he said is exactly true, and we will definitely take his valuable suggestions and what he has said in his speech. We will definitely implement and will go ahead in our further service to the humanity. Moving ahead, today is actually the day where region meet, when we are having region meet. I remember my father, late, as like Dr. Anand Desai said, late like Mohandas Sulekar, who was really instrumental and inspiration to me in my life's journey. And I have seen his work right from my childhood, and which was, in fact, I had come late in Lionism, but that was a real inspiration to me. And today's Spandan, which is souvenir what he released, I have dedicated to him in his memory. I have my mother who is here attending today's vision conference. She is here attending amongst us. I would like to acknowledge her presence also in today's August gathering. I hope you have enjoyed this vision meet, and let us have much more like this get-togethers where we can have a harmony and have a unity in diversity, as our keynote speaker said, to move ahead in the journey of service. Long live Lionism, and all the best to all of you for the remaining period of INC year. Thank you.
And Vision Chairman of Vision 8, Lion Samir Chulekar, my good friend keynote speaker, Dr. Johnson, other dignitaries, on the days, off the days, and my dear brothers and sisters in cause of Lionism. Indeed, I am very happy to witness this vision meet, which is very beautifully organized, very systematic, methodical, and within time. Normally, vision meets they go beyond time like busy, even with all so many ups and downs, they have managed with the time. In short, Lion Samir, the vision chairman, along with his team, the leaders of the region of different clubs, they have organized this meet in a very wonderful way, very great way. Compliments, congratulations to Lion Samir, Zone Chairperson Lion Lion Margarita, and all the club leaders in the region. Once again, congratulations to you all. I always keep insisting, especially Lionism, whatever you do, always try to reach out to the excellence. And today I can say it, I can endorse it, that Lion Samir has really reached out to the excellence. For that, congratulations. And I wish you all the best in all your future endeavors. Indeed, we see in you as the leader of the district in times to come. Coming to this Lions Club of Audhenvi Madgaon, it has been always very close to my heart because of Cryos people. That is, one is late Mohandas Sulekar, and then S.G. Prabhu, and Lion Vishwanath. This trio was always, they were very much responsible in making my Lions career. And today also I see, like when I speak to Lions Club of Audhenvi Madgaon, Lion Samir, Lion Swati, Lion Avinash, Lion Sushma, and again these 5-6 people are great lions. We have got a lot of expectations and thanks to come from you all. And I once again wish you all the best in all your future years. Thank you.
Region Chairman, Region 8, Lion MJF Sunny Shulekar, catered after. Swati Shulekar, dignitary on and off the days, Lion Lady, praise. I am Rajendra Prasad Patel. Bring warm felicitation to Lion Summit, excellent arrangement and good venue of the region meet. And I also congratulate and best wishes to host club, Lions Club of Alendra Mandagaon, wonderful arrangement. I, Lion Rajendra Prasad Patel, Lions Club Parwari, to behalf of my home club, also felicitate all the president and members of the 8th club, the wonderful service activity around the Royal area. I am Lion Rajendra Prasad Patel, 40 years, and have been active Lion member of the district. Last 35 years, I am a cabinet member of the district 317B and active member or 100% attendance of all the 35 years cabinet attendance. I have taken the various responsibilities to a district cabinet in the different portfolio and also been active member of the district governor core committee this year 2020-21. After service so many years, I now wish to serve the district as a district governor, district 317B. My home club, Lions Club Parwari, has been unanimously passed the resolution and put my candidature for the second vice district governor 2021-22 for district 317B. My long association and experience in the lionism will be district to excellence in active of the district. And take your blessing and full support to elect me as a second vice district governor. District convention held on Mudresar on 17-18 April. I need your support and first cast a precious vote in my favor and second vice district governor service for the district 317B in Greater High. Jai Hind, Jai Lion. Thank you once and all. Thank you all.
Presiding officer, Region Chairperson, MJF Lion, Service Shulekar, JC MJF Lion, Bharti Prabhusai, Lion RPIA, in the audience, PDG MJF Lion Dr. Elima, dignitaries on and off the days, all the presidents, today's gurus, and all the land members from this region and various other regions from Goa and Karnataka, and invitees and all the guests. Today, I would like to congratulate all the presidents and club members for the various activities done, especially during this pandemic of COVID-19. And therefore, I always say that all Lions this year could be called COVID warriors. Congratulations to the RC and host club for the nicely organized today's day. Friends, past more than 20 years, I am consistently working with integrity in the cause of Lionism at club level and also in district, and effectively handle the responsibilities in the service of community. Today I am happy to announce that my club, Lions Club of Tournament Town, has taken a resolution for my candidature for the post of BDG 2 in the coming elections. For that, I seek your valuable guidance, blessings, and support. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Do very well.
Thank you.
Dignitaries on the days in the audience and my dear friends. They say that great leaders don't set out to be leaders. They go out to make a difference. It is not the role, it's not the role, it is the goal for each of them. And friends, This is what our region chairperson has shown today. We reached the goal because of the work that he has done to see to it that this regional conference is one of a kind. My heartiest congratulations to Lion Samir, to the organizing committee chairperson and all of the presidents and all of you, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. My 35 years of Lionism have brought me friendships all over the district, and those friendships have propelled me to come forward as a candidate for Vice District Governorship in this year. I request you, my Lion leaders, to join me as we move together ahead to take our great district to even greater heights. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lion 3 and Jeff all Brito.
Region meet, and with such a beautiful venue, excellent arrangements, and this beautiful, the wonderful lions who are gathered here shows the leadership qualities that you possess. Congratulations once again on behalf of the GLT team, and also from my home club, Lions Club of Daboli. I would like to take this opportunity, as a GLT coordinator you have requested, thankful to you. We are coming up with the first ever Young Lions Leadership Institute in our district, which actually is going to be the basic Lion information, as an orientation for new Lions who have joined. Whenever a new Lion member joins, they are not aware. We always do the indoctrination, but somehow we want to get them as quickly as possible. We don't give too much of importance to it. But we thought from this year, we will start the Young Lions Orientation program, and this will be held on 16th and 19th. The details are already in the group. We will forward the link to join. All will have to register, and that those who register in advance will get a certificate from the district, which will form the basis for any future training of DLLI, RLLI, or anything you deserve to grow as a lion in our district. So please take it very seriously and try to register. Tomorrow is the last day, and join for this first ever Young Lion Leadership Institute. Thank you, Lion Samir, Region Chairperson, for giving me the opportunity to felicitate you. All the best for the remaining part of the day. Thank you.
Organizing Committee Vice Chairperson PMJF Lion Dr. Venkatesh Prabhudesai. Organizing Committee Secretary Lion Rajendra Malkanekar. Organizing Committee Treasurer MJF Lion Kanta Gaus. Zone Chairperson Zone 1 Lion Aarti Iyer. Zone Chairperson Zone 2 Lion Balkrishna Prabhudesai. Souvenir Committee Editor Lion Vithoba Desai. Sponsor for Kid Bags MJF Lion Vishwambar Kekri. Sponsor PMJF Lion Philomena De Silva. Leo District President Leo Shane Samit Sulakar. From the Advisory Committee, Lion Maruti Iyer. Lion Senso Dias. MJF Lion Advocate Vilas Naik. Line All Brito.
Even if the mementos get mixed up, you can kindly exchange it during the fellowship and dinner.
Line Rajendra Prasad Patel. Line Dayanand Desai.
I think I have called out the names. We have with us. We have various committee chairpersons, and we have like Uma Gaitonde. She is the chairperson for reception committee.
Line Jennifer Fernandez, Lions Club of Macau City. Then we have Line Sachin Rajan Kale, Lions Club of Honda City. We have Lion Sanjay Gaus Desai, Lions Club of Amrit Paroda. Line Serafina Koda from Lions Club of Kavio Singh. Line Alvin Mascarenes, Lions Club of Rotary. MTF Lions Suresh Koi from Lions Club of New Beda. Line Anupa Vivekanand Nagadi from Lions Club of Honda Maytown. Line Bitu Naik, Secretary of Lions Club of Ajanti Margao.
From Lions Club Sakri, I have to recognize him. Who was with me right from the start. Always took out his time to finally reach his guest. Yeah, now the most important, before I move ahead, we have Master of Ceremonies with us, which has taken this program very well ahead and we could finish it on time. We have with us Rachna Tendulkar, who was right from the start and we will go from all the on the program. Thank you very much. Yeah, we have Kap Tanaya, who is a daughter of our India Bank Sunil Kesarkar. We have also other members of the organizing committees who had worked very hard and towards the success of Vision Meet. Like Seema Kesarkar, from the reception committee. And first meeting. Like Manoj Chari, who was there at the reception counter. Leo Rajan Hegde, who has taken this national flag to the race. Then we have Leo Rajan Hegde, Leo Veda Daus, who is also working very hard. Come, Rohit. Rohit, please come forward. We have Lions Srinath Kamath. Lion Joseph Pereira. Lion Rajesh. Lion Dr. Mahesh Velekar. Lion, we have with us past district governor, Lion Dr. Chandrakant Hemant. We have a highest institutional prizes.
And I think there were prizes for banner presentation also. Banner presentation, Chairman Sunil. We declared prizes for the best banner. I think we let the RC decide.
I have declared 2 prizes, one for best banner presentation and another prize for best costume. I request the RC to judge and announce the prizes.
Yeah, the best costume, as he announced, I think it should go to, I think all will agree with me, Lions Club of Notule. Prize. So I like to come forward with this prize. The president is here, like Alvin.
Region Chairperson. Thank you, Region Chairperson. Region Chairperson has got a large heart and appreciated everybody. But you all will agree with me that he missed out one very important person. The women behind the
Has supported us on all occasions. We are much indebted to the today keynote speaker, Johnson Fernandez, past district governor, Rotary International Organization 3170, for accepting last minute our invitations. We are very much thankful to Sir Johnson Fernandez for giving us very inspirational talk and sharing views and enlightening us on our theme, harmony in service. Once again, on behalf of Organizing Committee and Lions, I profusely thank you for gracing the occasions and highlighting and very graceful and very special applause. We are thankful to the Organizing Committee Chairman and Advocate Vishwanath Tari, in spite of his setback in studying. He has shown his vigor and enthusiasm. He was very meticulous, and all he was after all the committee chairpersons to see that things are running very smoothly and professionally. I thank you, Lion Vishwanath Tari, for your hard work and your efforts in making this leadership a grand success. We are thankful
to all donors, sponsors, advertisers for supporting our region. We are also grateful to all the presidents and members of various our clubs in the region for supporting our region. Last but not least, I thank our compares. Of course, one of the compares was last minute withdrawn for this again family emergency. But the way the Arjuna Tendulkar and Sanaya Nisarkar handled the show, they really deserve appreciations. We thank them for putting a good show on this occasion. But friends, I did really my duties if I had not thanked the management of the Torso Hotel and all those who have helped us directly or indirectly to make this region a grand success. Thank you, one and thank you all.
Dear Chairman, Dr. Francis Almeida, I would like to recognize him. And then we have Lion Shanti Bidu Naik. I would like to recognize her also because she was coordinating with Swati so much and doing so much for this group. Thank you, Doctor. And then we have this one more. This week started with a beautiful dance, welcome dance. I wish to recognize Vardhana Desai, who is working off and Yoga Desai. So for the very beautiful dance, we will start the mood of this region. I hope I have not missed anybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.